Welcome back guys. So how can you invest $1,000 today for an easy 3x return? First we will make three parts of the $1,000. So the first part will have $400 in it and we will try to buy good solid companies with this $400 and try to make a very good base with our $400. Why? Look at this. If I look at the Nasdaq from 2017, look at this over here. It was almost 6,000 points and today 11,354. So in the last 5 years Nasdaq has doubled in value. So yeah, we need to target some very good solid companies with our $400. We need to go after big names like Apple. Look at this. In 2017 this was roughly 40 and today is 140, so more than 3x return. If I look at Google 5 years back, it was $50, today 98, so yeah, almost 2x. But not only big tech, you can target other companies also. For example, let's check Home Depot. From almost 135 today we are sitting at 278, so another 2x. Of course, how can we forget Amazon? If we look at 2017, this was around $50, today 116, so more than 2x. If you look at some FMCGs, look at P&G. From 88 it is at 132, almost 2x. And don't forget, in these 5 years you would have received dividends also, so yeah, you would have 2x your money. So guys, you get the idea that we will use our $400 to build a very strong base for our portfolio by adding renowned names and large companies. Now the next part of our portfolio will also consist of $400, but we will be looking at adding very risky companies or crypto. For example, we can look at something like Tesla. 5 years back this was $25, today 282, so we have done a 10x on Tesla. For our risky portfolio we can add crypto also. For example, look at DOT. Today 6.43 all-time high was $53, so 8 to 9x is possible on this. Same for SHIB, today at 11 and it went up till 88, so yeah, 8x possible on SHIB. Another option can be Virgin Galactic. Today at $5, all-time high was around 60, so 10 to 12x possible on this. So guys, you can see that this $400 we will use to put into extremely risky assets. The reason being, even if this $400 goes to $10, $20, $50, we have the strong base which will give us 2-3x over 5 years, and that can absorb a drastic drop in our risky portfolio. That is the reason why we created the first part as a very solid base, so that we can go extremely risky with our other $400. So this makes the total $800. For the remaining $200 we will keep it in cash. Why? If our portfolio goes down 30-40%, we can use that $200 to buy some more and average out. So the $200 remains the same as $200. So guys, our base of $400, which was made up of very strong companies, will give us maybe $800 to $1,000 for the next 5 years. The second part is our risky portfolio of $400. This can give us 5 to 10x. So let's take 5x, that will give us $2,000, and our cash of $200 remains $200. This will make the total $3,000 against our investment of $1,000. So you can see this will give us a 3x return over 5 years, and you don't need to be worried about daily trading or looking at charts every day. You just invest now in this fashion, and after 5-6 years hopefully you will have minimum 3x or more than that. Let me know in the comments what is your strategy for this bear market. How are you investing? What are you investing in? And as always, markets are extremely volatile. If you are day trading or actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.